In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Now, whether you're looking to streamline your browser experience or just prefer working without the extra guidance Copilot provides, the process is quite straightforward and takes only a few minutes. First things first, we need to open Microsoft Edge. If you're at your computer, simply locate the Edge icon on your desktop or within your Start menu, and give it a click to fire up the browser. Once it's open, you should see your familiar homepage or perhaps a new tab page. Just ensure you're in a regular browser window and not in incognito or guest mode, as the settings will modify are best accessed through your main profile. Next, pay attention to the top right corner of your Edge browser. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is known as the More menu. These dots are your gateway to a range of customization options within Edge. With a simple click on these dots, a drop-down menu will emerge, presenting you with several different choices, including tools, extensions, and more. But what we're particularly interested in today is nestled comfortably within these options. From this menu, direct your attention downwards until you spot the Settings option and click on it. This is where all the key configurations for Edge are housed, allowing you to tweak everything from privacy settings to appearance. A new settings window will pop up, and you'll notice a sidebar filled with categories on the left. It might appear a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only going to explore a tiny corner of it today. Now let's move our focus to finding the specific setting we need, namely the Copilot feature. To simplify this search, take advantage of the small search bar located at the top of the settings page. Click into this search bar and type in Copilot to swiftly locate the feature we wish to modify. In just a moment, you should see the related settings pop up right in front of you. Once you've found the Copilot option in your settings, it's time to take action. You'll see a toggle next to it, which shows whether the feature is currently enabled or not. If the toggle is in a colored position, it means that Copilot AI is currently active. Simply click on it to switch it to the off position, effectively disabling the AI. This simple change will help create a more streamlined and personalized browsing experience that better suits your preferences. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully turned off the Copilot feature in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy the more minimalistic browsing experience. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime you wish to make further tweaks or re-enable the feature. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.